Oo, maging judgmental.
As a forgotten genius once said, I am not afraid if you steal my idea. I am afraid that you don't have any of that. My name is Neo Eros Avillar. Good morning, everyone, at Magbuhay!
Once again, candidate number 1.
This symbolizes abundance and health. The skirt lining of the gown is made of used cloth and supported by tire wire, decorated with flowers, symbolizing flexibility of love and youth. Umbrella made of plastic spoons, handles, and umbrella sack. It symbolizes health and protection. Yellow color of safflower symbolizes hope, bright future, and abundance. Candidate number 2's costume or ensemble is a creative masterpiece inspired Contestant number 3 is a vision of sustainability in her breathtaking gown, expertly crafted from repurposed plastic bottle cups and traditional Manila hem. This show-stopping ensemble masterfully combines plastic cover with traditional abaca, celebrating our culture's rich heritage. Her stunning golden race, crafted from recyclable cartons, delivers powerful message. Prioritizing waste management is crucial for our planet's future. This innovative design not only reduces waste, but also celebrates local cultures. With her innovative, eco-friendly design and commitment to sustainability, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome contestant number 3, CN Era Portilla.
Candidate number 4. Witness how paper plates become blackboards for ideas. Symbolizes a blank canvas for creativity or a simple, eco-friendly dining solution. Disposable spoon, convenience and single use practicality. LCD light of metal. LCD lay of metal. A unique symbol of achievement, blending modern technology with traditional honor. Used cloth thread signifies resourcefulness, recycling, and the beauty of repurposed materials. Ladies and gentlemen, the candidate number 4. Candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5's dress is made out of flags with jackwood wrappers, and her headdress is made out of cellophane. Her outfit is showcasing a unique and eco-friendly costume made from sack of rice. This innovative design highlights the students' resourcefulness and talent in transforming everyday materials into a stunning work of art. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 5, Marlene Kate Dakanay.
Once again, candidate number 5. Candidate number 6.
Ladies and gentlemen, walking in front of you is the gorgeous candidate number 6, Barbie Joy Bequilia Hakalan. The candidate wears a creative eco dress featuring a flowery skirt made of plastic cellophane, accented with paper plates for bold detail. A soft base adds structure, while broken city pieces bring shimmer. Adding a radiant touch, straws arranged like a sun rays extend from the dress, creating a striking visual that draws attention to its eco-friendly details. This design element not only adds drama and movement, but also symbolizes life, energy, and the power of sustainable fashion. Completing the look is a unique jellyfish-like umbrella, crafted from the puff, plastic cellophane, and paper plates, a true showcase of sustainable style. Once again, candidate number 6, Barbie Joy Bequilia Hakalan.
Once again, candidate number 6. Let's move forward to the male category. Let's begin with candidate number 1. Amurin Saban. His costume is a stunning example of innovation and sustainability, made entirely from recycled newspaper. costume is testament to the students' imagination and resourcefulness in transferring a simple material like newspaper into a work of art. Once again, candidate number 1, candidate number 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching is candidate number 2, Neo Eros Aviliar. Raising the stage with confidence and creativity, our candidate stands in a one-of-a-kind ensemble crafted from a recyclable cardboard material. The candidate is wearing a futuristic suit made of mixed cardboard and old newspaper with loose feather as a cap and with suitcase. When facing front, it's like you are looking at a broken mirror made of cardboard, mixed with a drying taste of flour as design. This innovative outfit is a bold statement on sustainability, blending eco-conscious fashion with striking design. With every step, the candidate proves that fashion can be both stylish and sustainable, turning everyday waste into a symbol of change. Once again, candidate number 2, Neo Eros Aviliar.
Saan na po ang kanilang advisors? Ano yan? Pictures? Grade level pictures?